Welcome to Truth by Billie Beene. Thanks for hitting the like button. That helps my channel to grow. Today's date, July 6, 2025. Time in Texas about 7 p.m. This is a flash update. Tropical Depression Chantal continues to affect South Carolina, North Carolina, and is expected to move into Virginia. It is decreasing as a depression. Winds have dropped now to 30 miles per hour, pressure at 1007, moving forward at 10 miles per hour. And we have what's going on in Texas. We've had now a total of deaths up to 69. This includes 59 in Kerr County and then 10 in several other counties. We have 11 missing, continuing to be missing from the Mystic Camp. We have also in several counties, a total of 41 missing. We have multiple counties now involved in heavy rain and flash flooding events. We had out of the, so Kerr County had 59 deaths. We have 10 deaths in other counties, including Williamson and Tom Green. We have also warnings covering also San Saba and Burnett County. So to recap, we have a total of 69 deaths, 59 in Kerr County, Kerrville. We have 10 in several adjacent counties. We have missing in Kerr County and several other counties, 41. And then we have an unknown number of missing who were visiting in Kerrville and adjacent counties to celebrate the 4th of July weekend. We have this afternoon information coming out about another wall of water approaching Kerr County, the Guadalupe River. So we will expect to get more details on that later tonight. We do have in this area, Central Texas, we have right now predictions for heavy rain, possible additional flash flooding. And Governor Abbott gave a presser about 5 p.m. And weather news coming out for the next 24 to 48 hours is a danger period. That includes the potential for flash flooding, and it does include Kerrville. And we have this. Some good news. Sunday afternoon, 2 girls missing from the Mystic Camp were found in trees in Kerrville, 30 feet up in the tree. So in other words, the water washed them out of their camp down the river, 30 feet up into trees. And praise God, they have been rescued. And we're seeing this afternoon National Guard trucks full of rescued girls. That would be from the camps in Kerrville. We have also going to Kerrville a group out of California, Wings of Rescue, for pets, to rescue pets and bring pet food. We have a local store in Brazoria County, Rip's Thrift Store in Brazoria, who will be collecting until July 14 supplies to take to Kerrville, non-perishable food, water, and blankets. So that's going on. we have this. It's believed now that this flash flooding event in Kerrville that didn't match up with what we were necessarily hearing from weather sources was also the result of the deep state hitting Texas. Texas has a bullseye on it, we understand, put forth from the World Economic Forum, WEF, who wants to destroy Texas, and the UN wants to steal land. So we have this coming out. Documents are coming out to verify that up to 160 employees of the federal government, including employees from NOAA, the Department of Homeland Security, FEMA, have had their access to the computer and phones and so on revoked, and they are under investigation as being involved in a weather modification hit, not only on Texas, but recall Helene in North Carolina last year and Beryl in Texas last year. And we have this. President Trump is actively blocking the UN's attempt to grab disaster land in Texas that was just flooded in this ongoing event. And we have this. We have that the U.S. legislature is now putting forth a bill to make geoengineering a felony, as is the state of Texas. And we have intel from Hal Turner. 9 states are being hit by the North American Weather Modification Council. These states include Texas, California, Utah, Colorado, Nevada, Idaho, Wyoming, New Mexico, and North Dakota. So we see the deep state hitting the great state of Texas and directly responsible for these deaths, and I believe the missing possibly could become 1 to 200. So it's good to be in prayer for America, President Trump, the U.S. military, and the state of Texas. I love you, and I'll see you soon.